Unboxing my toys. This is an impact reel from KYK, built to last. So 750 watts, and the drill bit is 13 mm or 1/2 inch. Drill bit, the diameter. Okay, and the depth is depends on you. I bought this for 3,700. Yeah, how's $13? Yeah, let's see what's inside. I opened this up and put the hardware store. So, what's inside? Yeah. Look. Oh, can you see it? This is my drill. Brum, 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 brum. So let's make a demo. This is my drill. It does. This is for the setting for wood, and this for wood and steel. This button here, and this is for impact. Because of for concrete cement impact. And this is this button here is for continuous drilling. Then you just press this back again, and this button here, I forgot. And this has variable speed. This button is the reverse when you use the screw. When you unscrew this, this one is the screw is from the other side, and this one is reverses it to turn. Okay, and this is variable speed. So this one is for the grip. So shall we test it? Shall we test the engine? Yeah. Let's go. So this one is for reverse screwing. Let's see. And this one is for I have this for impact. So let's say the difference from non-impact. The engine. And this one. This is the impact. I guess this is more powerful. This is wood. Yeah, it has a hammer sign to it. Now let's see the variable speed. This one is the fastest. let's say the slowest. This one is, the hammer is for wood and steel, and this is for the staggered screw. Line is for masonry. So this one is the impact, because it has the noisier sound also. You see, can you hear that? And this is the wood. It's not clicking. I shall read the manual, and it comes with the okay, for safety purposes, always unplug. So this one is for this there you can remove this, and for extra power, extra hand support. And what are this? I have drill bits here. This one is for, I think it is for masonry, from the looks of it. So the drill bit is up to 13 mm. Yeah. And this is wood. For the wood and steel. And I have some screw also. And screw bits. And some, what's this? This is a hex for tech screw, for the hex screwdriver, and your diamond, I guess, and the cutter. It comes with a cutter also, and a hammer, and pliers, and wrench. So that's about it. My toys. The
Ito isa naman. Kailangan may
That's
labas
about
ka,
it.
ano? Yung gano'n, oil. Para pag ginamit.
And this is a meter.
Ano yung ano na yan?
Metro.
Ito to parang relo. Timer.
Hindi.
Ano yan?
Metro. Meter. 3 meter. Okay.